Hi friends, very good evening all of you. Welcome back to CAP classes. And I wish you a very happy Navaratri. So today is the auspicious day, the first day in the 9 days of this Navaratri. So, and also we are starting our preparation from tomorrow. So I wish you all the blessings of God. I wish you very good luck. So, if you know, 2 days back there was a new notification by ICAI postponing the exams at another time. Then I have made one video on that, and then there are so many requests from the students asking me to prepare a study plan and give it to them. So I am little stressed with my IFRS online coaching and all, but still I have decided let me do this for the benefit of many students, because in our new Android app and iOS app there are more than 2500 registered students. So it is a matter of immense pleasure for me that we are growing exponentially. At the same time, when we are growing, the students are putting so much of the trust on us. I feel it is my responsibility to help them without expecting anything. So that is the reason I have made 6 plans. One plan is for new syllabus group 1, one plan is for new syllabus group 2, one plan is for new syllabus both the groups. Then one plan is for old syllabus, that is CA IPCC group 1, one is for CA IPCC group 2, and one is for CA IPCC both the groups. So any CA intermediate or IPCC student, if you are watch this video, take this timetable. It is starting from tomorrow, and trust me, this works 100%. 100 means 100%. As I told you in one of my previous sessions also, if you have to eat one apple, you cannot swallow it, okay? You cannot eat apple in one go. You have to cut it into pieces, and small pieces you need to eat. That is how I have made this study plan. I have divided each subject into 5 to 8 parts. Okay. So if you observe, this is CA Intermediate Group 1. So date wise 18-10, that means tomorrow. Today we are sitting on 17th. 18-10-2020 this is starting. So tomorrow is a Sunday. Then you are starting with accounting. So in that you need to do hire purchases, installment, insurance claims. Then 19th Monday, CFM, Costing and Financial Management. You can call it CMA, Cost and Management Accounting also, which is, the nomenclature in the new syllabus, Cost and Management Accounting, this is for you. So CMA, Introduction to Cost and Management Accounting, and cost sheet is there. That means one full day, you are doing only these 3 topics, 2 topics, something like that. That means it is very simple for you. Then third day, that means 20th, you are taking up law. Preliminary aspects, basics, incorporation of company, and matters incidental there to you are doing. Then fourth day, taxation, basic concepts, residential status, scope of total income, and incomes that do not form part of your total income, and income from salaries. Taxation is bulk because you have DT to be covered, you have IDT to be covered. So if you see, taxation syllabus is little higher than the other subjects, but you have to manage it. There is no other go. The beauty of this study plan, I'll tell you, it is starting tomorrow, and if you look at it, it is ending on 18/11, which is, just 3-4 days before your exam. That means up to 3-4 days before your exam, you are studying. This is point number 1. Point number 2, if you look at the subjects, I rotated the subjects. So first day you are doing accounting, second day you are doing costing, third day you are doing law, fourth day you are doing taxation, and this shuffling 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, they are rotating. This is how you need to study. Now you cannot study subject wise. Pavan sir, I'll take up accounting, I'll complete that, and then I'll go to costing. Boss, this is not the time. Last 30 days you cannot experiment like that. You should not. So follow my plan. You need to rotate the subjects like this. And topics, if you look at, say for example, costing, if you are looking at costing, on first day you are doing introduction and cost sheet. Second day, materials, labor, direct expenses. Third day you are doing, overheads and activity based costing. Fourth day you are doing cost accounting system, unit costing, job costing. Fifth day you are doing batch costing, contract costing, process costing. Next day you are doing operating costing, service costing, joint products, byproducts. Next day you are doing marginal standard. Next day you are doing budgets and budgetary control. Don't you think every day it is very manageable, and it is a very small portion? So when you look at costing as a subject, your heart will come into pants. But look at the study plan. We are making the apple into 8 pieces, which is very small. Happily you can chew, enjoy the taste, swallow it, gulp it happily. So there is no stress in this study plan. This is for group 1 students. And then I have prepared one for group 2 students also. So this is for group 2 students. I named it last minute revision and study plan for CA intermediate group 2. Here also if you observe, same pattern, it is starting with 18th and that is Sunday tomorrow. And the subjects, if you look at, the beauty of this plan is EIS and SM I divided into 2 parts because students feel EIS little difficult. That is the reason. Take more time, doesn't matter. Take more time, doesn't matter. So EIS, per day you will read only 1 chapter. Per day you will read only 1 chapter. Strategic management, some days I have given 1 chapter, some days I have given 2 chapters. But this will be so easy, I am telling you. Now look at it. In advanced accounting, first day you will start with accounting standards. In group 2, accounting standards are more. That is the reason I have divided accounting standards into 2 parts. So 18th you are doing accounting standards, 23rd again you are doing accounting standards. 18th you are doing accounting standards, 23rd again you are doing accounting standards. So accounting standards are covered in these 2 days. Then on the next day of this advanced accounting, you are doing amalgamation, internal reconstruction, liquidation, only 3 topics. The next day, if you look at it, banking companies, NBFCs, simple to do. Then that next day, what you are doing is this accounting for ESOP, buyback, equity shares with the differential voting rights, which is just one small problem, 10 minutes problem. Partnership, amalgamation, sale and conversion. In partnership, there are 2 parts. One, dissolution is there, sale, amalgamation and conversion is there. So that I have divided into 2 parts. Otherwise, your brain will, be messed up. So I have done 2 parts. So then the next day, consolidated financial statements, partnership dissolution. With this, the advanced accounting is over. So 10 chapters we are dividing into small parts. Per day you have to do this. And look at EIS. Look at EIS. So first day you are doing only automated business processes. That is on the 20th. You are doing only 1 chapter. Happily do that. Do the revision questions also, handwritten charts or tables or memory codes, whatever your lecturer has done, you can revise. If you are old syllabus student, you can do practice manual also. If you are new syllabus student, the practice questions at the end of chapter ICI in study material they have given, do that happily. Last 1 to RTPs you do, MTPs you do, suggested answers you do. So only 1 chapter. Then the next day of EIS, 2nd chapter. So you are doing that day financial and accounting system. That next day information system and its components. That next day e-commerce and commerce. That next day core banking system. Khatam. So all the subjects are divided into small pieces. Okay. Now this is for group 1 and group 2. Now the beauty is the next one, this is for both the group students. So some of them are doing group 1, some of them are doing group 2, some of them are doing both the groups. For both the groups students, I have prepared in columnar manner. Group 1 I have given in 1 column, both subject and topic. Group 2 I have given. So every day, if you are a both group student, every day you need to divide your day into 2 parts. So maybe you can do it like this: before lunch, after lunch. So before lunch you have to do with 1 group. After lunch you have to do with 1 group. So if you look at every day, 18th onwards, Sunday, 1 subject is accounting from group 1, 1 subject is advanced accounting from group 2. So like this I have rotated the subjects. Next day you will be doing costing, audit. Next day you will be doing law, EIS. Next day you will be doing taxation, SM. Okay, so like that you will come again. So that next day you will be doing accounting, FM and echo. So in group 2 you will have 5 subjects because EIS and SM are 2 subjects. So this is the best study plan for both the group students. So I have shown you 3 plans. This is for new syllabus. Also for old syllabus, similar study plans are available. For group 1 study plan is available, for group 2 study plan is available, for both the group study plan is available. And another thing is, last 1.5 decades of my career, okay, whatever the respect, love, earnings I have got, that is because of teaching and that is because of student community. So I am giving these study plans free of cost. You don't need to pay 1 penny also for this. So just take the schedule, okay, and start preparing for your exams. Now, so many students are texting me, Pawan sir, I need a study plan and all. Now think from my point of view, I am also a human being. Will I be able to give it separately over WhatsApp or any other media to 2500 students? It is very difficult for me. And students will ask at 12:30, 1 o'clock in the midnight also. Maybe because you are a student and you are studying up to 2 o'clock in the night. But I am a normal human being, I have to sleep also. So it is very difficult for me to give it one-to-one. That is the reason what we have done is, I have uploaded this in our website. I have uploaded this in our Android app. I have uploaded this in our iOS app, okay, for Apple users. This is available free of cost in all the media. So please access this. So many students, those who are new to the app, they are asking me repeatedly, Pawan sir, how to get this in the app? So they have downloaded the app, but they do not know what to do. So first, your first step is download Cap Classes app from your Android store or from Apple store. Okay, so once you download this, if you do not have the link to download, you can Google it. You can, in Google Play Store, you can Google Cap Classes. So you'll get our app. Even in Android also, you can search Cap Classes. If you are not getting the link, text me, I can send you the link. Okay, now when you download the app, when you open it, it looks like this. But my dear friends, I'm telling you, this is a web version. I have opened this in my laptop. But you don't use laptop or your computer to open this web-based app, because many features won't work in that. There are so many limitations. The best way is Android and iOS. So I will show you what to do. This is your dashboard. When you log in, it will appear like this. So can you see request to join here? So you have to click this request to join, and then you have to type CAPTS, Cap Test Series, Cap Classes Test Series, short form, CAPTS. This is batch code. When you enroll into that, free of cost, you can see so many, resources. So for example, I am showing you here Cap Test Series on my screen. Because I am a registered student from this ID, Cap Test Series, I can open. So look here, when I open Cap Test Series, it shows like this. Okay, if we have announcements, it appears like this. Announcements are there. So it is something like, hi friends, a day-wise study plan. So like this, it appears in your announcements. Then when you go to tests, you can write a test series. So if you look at it, law test 7, audit and assurance, test 18, audit, test 17, law, test, 1, then test 1. So like this, there are so many tests, everything free of cost. Everything you can write free of cost. So you can do it like this. So when you open the exam, attempt the test. So MCQs appear here. So there are so many students, you can challenge the students. So I'm so happy that there are 1149 students writing the exams. You can see it from here. All these are my friends. Okay, so I can challenge them. So without challenging them, I can skip this page and I can, go to exam also, skip and attempt. Then MCQs will come. Daily you can practice all these MCQs free of cost. And the analytics are also, very beautiful. You will come to know whether your answer is correct or wrong or something. So next, then your MCQ comes and you can write the exam. So I have read and understood. You need to accept this. Then you can go to write the exam. Okay, I will not waste time. You can do it later. When you go to attempt a test, when you read the terms and conditions, when you go to the test, a beautiful screen appears with all the MCQs with that 4 options. Fill in the blanks will be there, true and false will be there. Okay, see the dashboard, how beautiful it is. So your multiple choice questions 1 to 10 are here. Then you can do whatever you want. Okay, which of the following is not an assertion about presentation and disclosure? ABCDR. So like that you can. Okay, then because I do not want to waste time, I am submitting my test. And then the report comes like this. Your time remaining, still you have 19 minutes 30 seconds. It is time bound. Total questions 10. You have answered 0, marked for review 0, submit test. Then you will get, what are correct solutions and all. Then total questions 10, correct answers, incorrect answers, partially correct, unattempted questions. So, and you can see the solutions also. See how beautiful this is. Question number 1. Then you can go to question number 2. Then you can go to question number 3. So this is the result of our thousands of hours of effort and so much of capital investment involved in this also. But this we are giving free of cost. 1000 multiple choice questions we have given. So far 37 tests are given free of cost and another 100 tests will be given free of cost. Okay, so I am closing this and I am going back. So what I need to do is, see here in this CAP test series batch, go to videos section. You can watch all these videos free of cost. Michael Porter's business strategies, standard and auditing, 570, amalgamation, cost of capital, capital asset pricing model, all these you can view free of cost. Then go to study material. This is the most important section of the whole app. Here you can see all these things. Audit mock test, question paper is there, suggested answer is there, audit reporting is there, audit total videos list is there, and then CA enter both the groups. When you open this, this plan I have shown, no, this will appear. This plan will appear. But I told you not to use web application because of some security reasons. Look here, when you click it in the website, they say this cannot be viewed. So either you have to download Google Play, that means Android app, or you have to download iOS app. Okay, this is for security. Some of the people, they misuse the data, whatever we have prepared. Now, if you look at it, can't you just understand how much of the effort is put by academic people behind the scenes? So some people simply copy this, they change the name and then they are selling it, because in free test series, in our app, in free test series, there are 80 examinations and 80 suggested answers. Question paper simply they will download, they will change the header and footer and then they are selling. That is the reason we have, not given permission to download. But when you have mobile, in beautiful user interface, you can see all these things. So the summary is, point number 1, we are starting our preparation from tomorrow. 2, if you are group 1 student or group 2 student or both the group student or old syllabus or new syllabus, whatever you are, you have a separate plan. This can be accessed in our Android mobile or iOS. So happily go to CAP test series batch, then join for request for joining into this batch. CAP TS, CAP TS is the code. Then admin will approve you within no time. Then you can go and see all the options like this. Okay, overview, assignments. You have assignments also. Accounting standard assignments I have put free of cost. All the tests are free of cost. All the videos here are free of cost. Study material you can see. If you see CAP test series, can you see test 1, test 2, test 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. See how many tests are there. Okay, 23, 24, 25, 26, 30, 56, 63, 65, 67, 68, 69. Like this. So today we have uploaded 69th question paper and answer paper. And there is a series of 80 question papers and answer papers. All these things are free of cost. And if you really want to evaluate your performance and if you want experts guidance, we also have a paid test series wherein we charge 30 to 40 rupees per paper. That means, per subject it comes to 299 rupees for both old syllabus and new syllabus, all the papers. So you will get question papers, you will get evaluated answer sheet, you will get suggested answers, you will get presentation tips, and you will get, subject faculty guidance also. So if you want, you can contact the phone number on the screen. You can write paid test series also. You do have free test series also. You have free study tables and all. Why I am doing all these things is because as a student I felt lack of guidance so many times. I am 5 times All India ranker, but I felt like if I have guidance or any mentor, I could have performed well. So to bridge that gap, between me and my next generation students, I am doing all these things for you. Remember one thing, a nice start is half done. A smart strategy is half done. So when you have a very good plan in your hand, when you have a good positive heart and determination to start studying, my dear friend, no one can stop you. So I am telling you, take this study plan, start doing it from tomorrow onwards. Small steps every day, no stress. You can complete the syllabus, you can write the exams with confidence, and you can come out in the results with flying colors. So I wish you all the very best. May God bless you. Once again, happy Navaratri to all of you. May that Ammal's blessings be there on all of us. Okay, so prepare well. Thank you so much. For any doubts, you can text me on WhatsApp on the number given on the screen. Thank you so much. All the best.